Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the purple egg recipe in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event for Easter eggs for the Easter event, and in this event you can unlock the new recipe. First, just go to your stove and then just choose the egg recipe. You can get this egg recipe from the Easter store or store for the special event. And if you don't know how to get it, you can just take the tutorial in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And then in here you need eggs, and to make a purple eggs you need to change the milk with grape like this, and then just start cooking like this. And okay, just like this, you will unlock the purple egg recipe in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.